How to trade in cryptocurrency. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can trade in cryptocurrency. This is a complete beginner's tutorial for you if you're looking to trade in cryptocurrency and you have no idea that which platform to go for, how to get a crypto wallet, and how you trade in crypto. So let's start. One thing I would like to mention is that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto involves a high degree of risk, and if you can afford to lose your money. So before you get into crypto trading, make sure to get all the information and truly understand what is crypto trading and then start trading. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. The first thing that you need is when it comes to crypto trading is finding the right crypto platform where you will be able to buy and sell cryptos, and at the same time you will also get the trade option. There are many platforms out there. Some platforms that I would actually suggest is going to be Binance.com and Coinbase.com. Pretty amazing platform and very famous platforms as well. So I will show you around Binance and then I will also show you around Coinbase, so you will have a better idea how to get a wallet as well and how Binance actually works. Why I have chosen Binance for you, because I think as a beginner it's really easy to sign up for. It actually is one of the very famous and easiest platforms. It has more than 600 plus cryptocurrencies available. There is buy option, sell option, trade option available. There are finances available, and Binance also has its own NFT place now. So this is going to be the platform. You can simply go to Binance.com and you will land right here. Let me show you how to sign up for Binance and how to get started. So you will find the option of login and register right here. So we're going to click on register because we have not registered, right? So welcome to Binance. What you can do is you can simply go ahead and sign up with your phone or your email address. So I'm going to click right here and I'm going to sign up with my email address. I'm going to select the country. After that, you have to create your own account on Binance. So there are three ways you can go for. The first thing is creating an account, and then there is verifying your identity, and then there is unlock price. So when it comes to signing up for Binance, another thing that we get with Binance is that we get a price when you sign up. That is actually pretty amazing. So once you sign up, you will get a price. The price involves NFTs and different cryptos, coins, whatever Binance wants to give you, and it really helps you and motivates you to use Binance. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and select on create personal account. When it comes to creating a personal account, you can see right here the first thing is going to be entering your email address, password, and referral ID. If there is referral ID, you will add it right here. If there is no referral ID, then you can leave this one. So what we want to do is simply add our email address in here. Then we will add a password. Simply click on next. Now you will get an email verification code and you simply have to enter it right here. Once you're done with your email verification, then you have to do your phone verification and you will simply be able to sign up for Binance. So you can see right here that signing up for any of the crypto platform, it's not that hard. It is similar to our basic, platforms where we sign up. Then another thing that you need is a crypto wallet, because sometimes different, buying and selling on crypto needs a crypto wallet as well. And we get very confused as a beginner that how to get a crypto wallet, how it works. Well, it's super easy. What you have to do is you can go for any of the crypto wallets. I would suggest that you can go for MetaMask. MetaMask is super easy to get. All you have to do is just simply create your account with your email address. So what you need to do is simply go to metamask.io. And when you go to metamask.io, you will be able to download the Google extension available. The Google extension is available for Chrome, iOS, and Android. You can simply go ahead and install it right here. It is supported on all of the browsers. Once you add this extension, it will be added right here. You simply create your own account with your email address. And let me actually show you how your crypto wallet looks like. So this is my crypto wallet right here, and you can see right here when you will get MetaMask, your default coin is going to be, your default blockchain is going to be, network is going to be Ethereum. Ethereum is one of the blockchains. You can also add different mainnets, like I have added Polygon, Arbitrum, and BNB. And this is how it works. You simply deposit funds, and from here we simply buy and sell crypto. So now you know. The second thing that you need to do is go and create a, get a crypto wallet. So you have a crypto wallet and you have a platform. You can also go with Coinbase. Coinbase is also very easy to sign up. You simply click on get started, add your email address, and you will be able to get started with Coinbase. And then similarly, Coinbase also has its own wallet, so you can get that as well. It's super easy platform, and it also has all of the different options. So if we go to Binance, let's say we have our own wallet. Now we will go to trade, and let's go ahead and find different coins. Let's go ahead and see that how to actually go ahead and buy crypto and how you can trade. Let's go ahead and check out the different market trends, and let me actually show you that what coins are available and how we can check out their last price and their different pricings. So you can see right here, when it comes to the market trends, this is going to be the last price. This is for BNB. Then we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Terra, we have Cardano. So this is going to be the last price. When it comes to trading in crypto, each coin has its own blockchain. For example, you can buy BNB with your MetaMask if you have the BNB network. Similarly, you can buy Ethereum and sell Ethereum, trade in Ethereum if your MetaMask has Ethereum. Then we have Cardano, Terra, and Arbitrum, such as, so I can go with right here. You can see I have also added Arbitrum, I have added Polygon. So to add a new network, you simply click right here and we add network name, new RPC, chain ID. Similarly, if we go to Coinbase, we are getting the, business option. In here, we will also get the earn option, Coinbase, and we can actually earn cryptos and sell and trade within crypto with all of these different platforms. So this is actually a very beginner's tutorial for you guys, so that you will have an idea that how to get a crypto wallet, which platform to go for. When it comes to crypto, we can buy crypto. Then we have different markets. In markets, we get all of the coins and you simply check them out. You can see right here, this is the overview. You can check out any of the different coin you want to click. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, so you will simply right here, we'll go with classic trading and submit. So you simply open up any of the coin, and after that you will be able to check out that how you can trade in that. You will be able to get all the information about that coin. So you can see right here, this is Bitcoin right here, and we have the value, the live value is right here. Then we have the trade options, we have all of the comparisons available. We have 1 hour graph will be shown right here. This is the trading view. Then we have depth view available too. We have 24-hour low, 24-hour volume, 24-hour high. So this is how you can simply check out all of the information about a coin before buying that coin, and you will actually have an idea that where this stands, and either you should buy it or not. Then we can also get these different options that are options available to draw, to add text for you to kind of like mark a different changes happening in the coin. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to get started with crypto trading, how to get your own wallet, and how to find the right platform for your crypto trading. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.